Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Holochain, guys. Holochain holders, very congratulations to all of you guys. Very congratulations. And you know what? Today I'm also very happy to see the positive changes of Holochain, guys. Completely Holochain is going positive. Anyways, now let me show you the current price of Holochain in the market. And guys, remember, if you are new here, so kindly please subscribe now ABS Tech channel, guys. At this time, guys, the currently live price of Holy Chain is about 0.009584 USD dollar. That is the current price of Holo. And furthermore, you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is from last 7 days. Holo Chain is going positive and Holo Chain is in the pumping mode. Yeah, so just hold. You know what, if the price pumping, if the price of a coin increasing hour by hour, day by day, so you have to hold. That is the way to make profit. That is the way to earn money from crypto, guys. So now Holochain is in the pumping mode, so I also recommend. And you know what, my prediction is also going positive about Holochain. My prediction about on the basis of technical analysis is that guys, to the last of October, to the end of October, Holochain price will continue this type of positive changes. So I recommend for all of my viewers, for all of my viewers, that it's time to hold. Never decide to sell. Never decide to sell. And guys, a lot of people ask me question that is it a good time to invest in a Holochain? So I recommend absolutely it's good time to invest in a Holochain. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching.